Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to stimulate your brain step by step. Begin with 5 minutes of focused diaphragmatic breathing to settle your mind, then take a brisk 10-minute walk for circulation and alertness. Return to a quiet spot and spend 15 minutes on a novel cognitive task such as a new language lesson, a logic puzzle, or creative writing to engage memory, attention, and flexible thinking. In this video, I will explain how to stimulate your brain step by step. Try the Pomodoro rhythm, 25 minutes focused work followed by a 5-minute reset to avoid mental burnout. During breaks, drink 250 to 500 ml of water and choose a protein-based snack with healthy fats to stabilize energy. Finish each session with a quick recall exercise to strengthen memory consolidation and reinforce learning. In this video, I will explain how to stimulate your brain step by step. Quick recommendation: grab a reliable water bottle for focus sessions. I use the Oala bottle during workouts and study sprints for convenient hydration and a little motivation. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical guides, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to stimulate your brain step by step. Spend 10 focused minutes before bed reviewing the day's new information to boost overnight consolidation. Use spaced repetition, revisiting items after increasing intervals to move memories into long-term storage. Wind down by limiting screens at least 60 minutes before sleep, and use a calming routine like reading or gentle stretching to protect deep sleep and overall cognitive health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.